Don't banks all have branches? Cracking the code of Tangerine Bank's network. Ever wondered how you can manage your entire bank account from your phone without ever stepping foot in a physical building? That's the magic of direct banks like Tangerine. But unlike traditional banks with sprawling networks of branches, how exactly does Tangerine make everything work behind the scenes? The answer might surprise you. Tangerine doesn't have its own network of ATMs or physical locations. Instead, it relies on a clever combination of technology and partnerships to deliver a seamless banking experience. So, buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of direct banking and cracking the code of Tangerine's network. First, let's rewind a bit. Remember the days when every bank had a physical branch on every corner? Those days are slowly fading. Traditional banks are facing fierce competition from online-only institutions like Tangerine. These digital-first banks offer a host of advantages: convenience, often lower fees, and sometimes even better interest rates. But with no physical branches, how do you deposit a check or get cash when you need it? Here's where Tangerine's network comes into play. Tangerine partners with a large network of ATMs across Canada. This means you can access your cash at any participating ATM, regardless of the bank it belongs to. You'll typically see these ATMs in grocery stores, convenience stores, gas stations, and shopping malls, basically, all the places you're likely to be running errands anyway. Here's the beauty of it: when you use an ATM outside of the Tangerine network, you might incur a small fee. However, Tangerine reimburses a certain number of these fees every month, making it a win-win situation. So, for everyday transactions like withdrawing cash or depositing checks, Tangerine leverages existing ATM networks. But what about more complex stuff, like getting help with a mortgage or investment advice? Tangerine tackles this through its robust online and mobile banking platform. The platform is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, allowing you to manage your accounts, transfer money, pay bills, and even invest, all from the comfort of your couch. And if you do need some personal assistance, Tangerine boasts a team of customer service representatives available by phone and secure chat. They can answer your questions, walk you through specific transactions, and even provide some financial guidance. Now, here's the key takeaway: while Tangerine doesn't have its own physical network of branches or ATMs, it leverages existing infrastructure and technology to create a convenient and efficient banking experience. They partner with ATM networks for cash access and prioritize a user-friendly online platform for everything else. This approach allows Tangerine to keep its overhead costs low, which translates into benefits for you, potentially lower fees and competitive interest rates. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.